Good morning. It's 6 a.m. I need to hurry up and get in my exercise because I gotta, when I get home, head over to the Spirit Airport, pick up a company car at the hangar, drive over to the downtown airport, pick up the Caravan, fly it over to Alton where it's going to get an annual inspection. Then Scott's going to pick me up there. We drive back to Spirit, then we fly the trip in the Citation I up to Iowa City and back. Oh man, this thing's fuzzy.
No, I wanted to make sure you got this trip.
All right, man, here's who we're flying with today, Scott. You guys know Scott. He was in the last video. Man, he's going to ride back to Spirit. And we just had some bricks dropped on us. They're going to empty the hangar when we finish and clean the floors. When we get back, we got to load all the airplanes back into the hangar. Yeah,
it's going to be a day.
It's going to be a day, you're right. But I delivered the Caravan. It's done. Maybe I should look at the camera. That works better, doesn't it? Let's get it all confirmed so we know what we're paying. About 25 minutes to go. One passenger, 49-minute flight. Beautiful weather. I mean, you just couldn't ask for better weather for a flight today. Nice looking Baron out there today. The reason I'm buying today is we take turns. Every other flight in this airplane, one of us buys lunch. Because this job, it just pays by the day, but they don't pay for meals, but we're compensated, so that's no problem. And it's usually Chinese or Mexican. I'm buying, so it's his choice. What is it, Chinese or Mexican?
Mexican.
Mexican, okay. Back to El Ranchero. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna get, 35% off. Cool.
Guy said, my beer was cold for more than 5 hours. The other guy said, why did you have a beer for 5 hours?
Show them what you got. Show them what you got at the place.
The Grizzly Pounder.
Cool. Cool, man. Keep your...
Insulated 16-ounce super beer.
your own beer cooler.
Exactly.
That place has got a lot of good stuff. I bought one of those little fanny packs with a water holder. I needed one for hiking. In fact, I should be doing something right now instead of laying around in this pilot lounge right now, getting fatter. Yeah, he's just making himself at home here. Isn't that what pilots do?
Pretty much.
Pretty much camp out? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, we're really running behind now. We're supposed to leave at 3. It's 5. It may even be longer. Yeah, weather moving in from the west. And I have a 6 a.m. show tomorrow. We're still good. Okay, we just got word from our passenger. He's on his way back. Got a little bit of weather. I think it's going to slide south of St. Louis, so we should be okay, but it's going to be close. Okay, let me put my iPad away. Well, you know, if it's so important, why don't you do it?
Okay, I got that one.
Are you nuts? Do you want? We are. By the rate.
Here, I have the lights on.
Selected.
Up the walk.
It's up.
Flex.
Selected. Engaged.
Turn the left.
Up to the gate up. Obviously traffic situation is at south 25 and to the south. I don't see him.
And he was 5 miles west.
He's heading out. He's heading away from us.
Got any chalks?
Yeah, I got some right here. Cooler here. Here's my ride back home. Pretty lady. Haley back there. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a like. And if you'd like to see more of these in the future, press the subscribe button and subscribe. Everybody fly safe out there. Be good.